Welcome everybody. I am Ganesh Narvade, giving placement training to various colleges, degree as well as business schools, and also teaching to chartered accountancy and CMA students in taxation and law subjects. Today we have an interesting session, useful for all the students. Yes, once you complete your certifications, your graduation, PG, CA, CMA, everybody has to attend interviews. And in the selection process, there is one round which is called as jam session. First, I did not understand what is jam session. It is now very clear. Jam means just a minute. That means they will give you certain topic. You have to talk aloud, clear, confidently about one topic what they give. And that is what just a minute session is. Now already in interviews, there are so many different ways in which they test. They conduct a test called as AMCAT, then the written test are there, essay writing test is there, then there is something called as personal interview, personal round is there is technical round, there is HR round. Oh my god, group discussion is there. And what is this again extra? I know you may be frustrated, but then the person who is going to pay you want to ensure that he is going to get the best person. And that's why one more process, and that is jam session. Now, when they give one topic, you have to talk about it within 1 minute. Okay, what's the big deal in it? You'll happily talk and complete it, right? Go, chill out, talk, finish. But if it would have been that easy, then people would have not feared a lot about. They feel that if I don't perform well, I may not get the job. I may not be selected. Whatever I am talking, will it give proper impression on the interviewer? So many questions are there which actually bothers you, I understand. And that botheration is shown in your presentation, in your talking. And there you lose the opportunity. What is that the interviewer is expecting from you in a jam session? He is expecting simply three things. That's all. What are they? First, communication skills. Second, confidence. And third, you are willing to put efforts or not. Are you a genuine candidate or not? If you are willing to put efforts, if you are putting efforts to give your best, that is conveyed. More than the words, the emotions reach the interviewer first. So give the best message through telepathy, we can say, through mental positive impression what you have in your brain. That you are willing to perform. You are willing to learn. That impression should be shown. So what are the three things you want to test? Yes, your memory is awesome. Great. Communication, confidence, and third important thing, yes, your efforts, the genuineness with which you are talking. That's very important. Now, suppose if the topic is given, then you will be already prepared with whatever has to be discussed. You will give your best impression, interviewer would be happy. No problem at all. But remember, if the topic is already given to all the people, then everybody will be giving their best. So, you need to use that 1 minute to such extent, within that short time, you should give so much value to the interviewer that no other person can give. Such strong preparation you should give or do if you are given the topic already in advance. But suppose if it is a game where you have to directly go and talk, now you may be feeling, sir, how can I talk, sir? I don't know the topic. Suddenly it is given. How will it come into my brain? How will I get the idea to talk about? Here is what I am going to share for that. First, whenever you get a topic suddenly, all other people who are attending interviews will get same thing. So you're all on equal level. First thing. Second important thing, when you get a topic, today is a digital era. I know that they are not asking you to write a PhD thesis, right? They are just asking you to talk for a minute. And due to this digital era, everybody has knowledge about everything. Of course, the knowledge may be little. In the interview also they are asking little only, right? They want just for 1 minute you should talk. So what is the problem? Obviously 1 minute you can talk. But the point is, the fear kills you. Now what should be the thought process which you should adopt? Let him select or not select, it doesn't bother for me. For me, what bothers is, am I giving my best? Because many a times, even those who do give their best fail. Those who don't give their best obviously will fail. And those who give their best with confidence, most of the time that people only succeed. So always give your best. Never ever dream about to become something, to become an employee. Always aim, always dream to do something. And here in your just a minute, yes, giving your best is to do something. Now, just listen carefully. When you get the topic, and during the time you get the topic, and during the time you start actually talking about it, at least you will have 10 seconds. Just calm down, take a breath. Just remember whatever you know about it, and just clearly and confidently talk about it. Obviously, this can happen only if you are continuously practicing this. Ask your mom or sister to give any topic casually, whatever she feels. And then practice in the mirror whatever you have to talk. Like this, if you do this practice and this mental focus, what I said, just take a small breath. Try to recollect whatever you have in your mind. Your subconscious mind is so powerful that it has lot of information. Thousands of supercomputers will fail before your memory. And in your memory, definitely there are some positive thoughts about any topic, whatever in the world. So, just calm, close your eyes, think for 10 seconds, your script would be ready. Practice it before the interview on certain topics so that you have the habit of talking spontaneously for 1 minute. Third thing, whenever you talk about facts. If you know the right facts, talk about that facts. If you don't know the right facts, then please just give ideas, thoughts, but never talk about facts. Right? So always be right regarding the facts. And moreover, never tell anything negative in the just a minute session. If you tell negative, then automatically the interviewer will have an impression that he is a negative person. And this is what we don't want the interviewer to feel like. Depict yourself to be a positive person. Be a positive person. That would be the best thing. And always talk positive. Right? So I said 3 to 4 things. First thing, your subconscious mind has super memory. You will get 1 minute information on any topic. So close your eyes for 10 seconds. Think about the topic. Think about delivery. Never think about the result. Second thing I said, yes, do practice on different topics from time to time in front of the mirror. That will give the habit of spontaneously talking on something. Third thing, yes, always tell correct facts. Never state wrong facts. And fourth thing which I shared with you, always talk positive. If you have any negative information about it also, present it in a positive way. Because everybody wants to associate with positive people. If these 4 things you do, there are no other rules which you have to follow. Should you talk loudly or slowly? Your choice. Clarity is important. Confidence is important. Efforts to give your best is important. Genuineness is important. All other things does not matter much. So, give your best You will be selected in this or the other interview, but our habit should be to give the best. Habit makes your character. Habit makes your future. Habit makes the thoughts which you have into reality. So build positive habits, and all the best. Do subscribe to the channel for more such videos on placements, on taxation subject, on law subject. Share with all the people who are going to attend the interview so that it can boost their confidence. So all the best. Take care. Bye everybody.